Hi, in this video we'll learn how to use conditional formatting in Excel, one of the most powerful tools for data analysis. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you're a teacher and you want to see which students scored more than 70 marks. Select all the score cells. Go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and select Greater Than. Now type 70. And you can choose a highlight color. Or even create a custom format with bold or italic text. Click OK, and Excel will instantly highlight all scores greater than 70. If you ever want to remove the highlights, just go back to Conditional Formatting, right pointing arrow, Clear Rules, and choose either Clear Rules from selected cells or from entire sheet. Now let's highlight students who scored less than 70. Select all scores, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, less than, and type 70 again. Excel will highlight all the lower scores. You can also highlight values between two numbers. Simply choose between in the same menu and enter your lower and upper limits. Excel will highlight all values that fall in that range. Next, let's look at top/bottom rules. If we choose top 10%, Excel will highlight the top 10% of the values. You can adjust that percentage too. Similarly, you can choose bottom 10% to highlight the lowest values. Want to highlight above average or below average scores? Just select those options, and Excel will automatically highlight them. We also have data bars, which visually represent values using colored bars, perfect for comparing numbers quickly. Under color scales, Excel highlights your data in gradient colors, for example, green for high values and red for low values. And with icon sets, you can represent your data using symbols like arrows, flags, or traffic lights. Now let's say you're a restaurant owner and you want to see which customer reviews came in the last 7 days. Select all the dates. Go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, a date occurring, and choose in the last 7 days. Excel will automatically highlight the most recent entries. Lastly, imagine you're a teacher again, and you've entered students' names. Maybe some names were repeated. To check duplicates, select all names, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, duplicate values. It will instantly highlight any repeated names. If you want to find unique names instead, just select Unique instead of Duplicate. And that's how you can use conditional formatting in Excel to analyze and visualize data effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support keeps the spreadsheet magic alive.